Welcome to our guide on creating a new user in Windows 11. Whether you're setting up a new account for a family member, friend, or colleague, we've got you covered with 3 easy methods. Let's dive in. First up, let's use the Settings app. Open the Start menu and click on Settings. In the Settings window, click on Accounts. Select Other Users on the left menu, then click Add an Account button under the Other Users section. Follow the prompts to add a Microsoft account or create a local account. And that's it. You've added a new user using the Settings app. Next, let's try the Control Panel. Firstly, search for Control Panel in the Start menu and open it. Click on User Accounts, then select Add or Remove User Accounts. Click on Add a New User in PC Settings and follow the instructions to create a new account. Simple, right? Now, let's move on to the command prompt. Now, this method is for those who like using commands. Here's how to do it with command prompt. Open CMD as administrator and type net user space, username space, password space, /add, where username is the name of the new user and password is the password for the new user account. For example, if the username is Bill and the password is pass123, you would type net user Bill pass123 /add, then press enter. Next, type net user and press enter to confirm the user account has been added. And there you go. You've created a new user using command prompt. Thanks for watching. We hope this tutorial helped you create a new user in Windows 11. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time.